If you're looking to reconcile a bank account in QuickBooks Online, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So stick close and let's dive in. So right from your home page here, you're going to go over to the left-hand side. You are going to look onto this menu here, okay? Now, this will only specifically work if you have a bank account that is directly synced with your QuickBooks account. So let's go into bank transactions over here. And once you go into bank transactions, you'll see right at the top, there's a menu and you will see Reconcile. Now, another way of getting here is if you go to the top right-hand side, you will see the gear icon, and under Tools, you'll see Reconcile. So you can get to this very same page the exact same way. What we're going to do now is you are going to a section where you can choose your account. All right. So if you go in here, you'll see that this is cash and cash equivalents. And to the right of that, it'll say bank. Now, in this case, we're going to choose this one because this is our bank and this is a sample account. So we're going to go now, and what you want to do is you want to add a beginning balance and a statement ending balance and then your statement ending date. Now, where you will get this from is your actual bank statement. Now, what I'm going to do is just use, again, some sample data, and we're going to just go ahead and open up a statement. So over here, you'll see now, this is my opening statement, and we have also the closing balance. And then, of course, as you see the statement date, we'll just add in a date. So what we're going to do here is statement ending balance. So the closing balance is 591,800.0 Okay. And then your statement ending date. So what we're going to do here is just put a date in here. You also have the opportunity to enter service charges or any interest earned. And this is not required, but if you do have any charges or interest earned, you need to put this in here so that your balance will align. You're going to go in and you're going to just give it a category. So whatever the expense account is. And then you can also add the date and the interest earned and the income statement, or the income account. You can just add that in there as well. Once you are done with all of this information, you will now go and click on Start Reconciling. So what's going to happen now is over here, you will have a list of all of the transactions that came in and out of this QuickBooks account that will also be on your bank statement. So now what you can do is you need to mark off each one of the statements lines in QuickBooks and make sure that you are marking them off on your actual bank statement as well. When you are done with this, you will actually find that the difference amount over here will actually be 0, and it should be 0. Now, this is where you'll be able to find any differences. Now, if there are any differences, you can go ahead and you can actually create a receipt, or you can create an account for that amount. Once you're done, you're going to go and you can say save for later, or you can just use this drop down menu here and you can click on finish now. And you can see here that mine is not 00 as a balance. However, as I mentioned before, this is just a sample account. You can now just go add adjustment and finish. And there you go. Your account has now successfully been reconciled. You can do this with whichever account you need to do so in your QuickBooks account. I hope this was helpful.